Sennheiser wants you to stop your bass head journey here. Is it that good? Let's find out. Before starting, Truth Here Zero Red giveaway is going on this video. Do check it out after this video. This unit was graciously provided by the Audio Store for review purposes, and all the opinions are mine. Be sure to explore their store. It has an incredible catalog of IEMs and audiophile equipments. I will keep the link in description. It's not an affiliate link, do check out. Now back to the review. Starting with what you get in the box. So IE900 comes with some pretty amazing accessories. Unfortunately, this is a review unit and this didn't come with box, so no unboxing. However, it comes with 3 set of silicone tips, 3 set of foam tips, a zippered carrying case, a little cleaning tool and a shirt clip. And the most interesting part of the unboxing was it comes with 3 proprietary MMCX cable, 2.5, 3.5, 4.4 mm connectors. Cables are nicely built. However, there's a slight microphonic when you roam around with it, though not so much. I think most of you will be okay with it. One problem for those who live in humid environments. So in humid environment, when you're listening to the IEMs, the cable sticks around your neck a bit. Not in very annoying way. However, I thought I should point that out. The IEM housing is a solid build of anodized aluminium. It is a sturdy IEM. For comfort as well, it is amazing. Typical Sennheiser design language. However, it can be subjective. Whole Sennheiser IE series fits me like a glove, so I have no issues with it. For specifications, it has 7mm dynamic driver with specifically designed Sennheiser engineered acoustics. It requires decent power to drive, so your mobile jack etc. will not be enough to power it. I would suggest an affordable DAC with it. However, with all this, how does it sound? Well, IE900 has a U-shaped sound signature for that balanced listening experience with emphasis on bass, and it has an exceptional bass. And while providing that exceptional bass, IE900 still maintains overall balance in the sound signature. Let's break it down in details. In simple words, IE900 has an exceptional driver to provide you dynamic, quality and textured bass. The bass has solid quantity, quality and texture to it. And this is not your typical smooth bass. It hits you hard. Listen to Acid Rain by Lorne. On this, it will melt your brain. It's that good of a bass. It is a very well extended bass with precise attack and decay, which is not limited to bass only. The driver maintains the speed over all the sound signature, which makes it a very good companion for busy tracks. With this good amount of bass, it maintains a pretty good balance of overall signature. The timbre on mids is still preserved and is natural. However, still mids are the weakest part of these IEM, with a little bit of warmth spread across the mid-ranges, which affects the vocals most, pushing them slightly back. Especially female vocals lose slightly tonal balance. Though if you love that warm and lush mids with that thumping bass, you'll go crazy. It still maintains that high level of resolution and separation in the mids. While the mids are a bit warm, treble is shiny and has a tastefully natural timbre. I feel it can use a little bit of air. However, it's a very solid take on a treble. Treble might be too sharp for listeners who are treble sensitive. However, I found with some tip rolling, you get your sweet spot. It is a very good treble with some exciting shimmer into it, though it's still a little bit on fatiguing side. I have not listened to anything that is that good with that good amount of bass, and they do not slouch in technicalities either. Talking about technicalities, they are resolution beast. In terms of technicalities, they will astound you. With this amount of bass in this tuning, it is generally the case that the first thing that got hurt is technicalities. However, not with IE900. IE900 has a very good soundstage with holographic properties, with a sense of width as well as depth. The immersion when you're listening to orchestra on these is just amazing. I was listening to Pai Hezu, and in the whole set you get very clear sense of depth and width. If you are a gamer, it is so precise in terms of distance and imaging. If you're planning FPS games, the explosions are literally bomb with the bass amount and control on IE900. If you are playing immersive games or watching movies as well, I found them an interesting set of IEM, especially action flicks they sound exciting and immersive in these IEMs. It portrays a strong performance on rhythm and timing as well. It makes everything sound exciting and connecting, giving a very well-balanced body to the music. Overall, I would say it is one of the best single DD in the market. I would give it a solid 4 star. It is Sennheiser's flagship IEM offering premium audio performance at higher price point for whopping $1,500 MSRP. However, it is constantly discounted and sold at $1,000, for which it is an absolute killer endgame IEM. I would say Sennheiser IE series is such a strong lineup for an IEM that reminds you can do all the fancy things with an IEM with 20 drivers, DSP, bone conduction and whatnot, but fundamentals, they always nail it. However, I think the younger brother IE600 is a better overall value for money as compared to IE900 in terms of performance. Stay tuned, next review is for IE600 day after tomorrow on the channel. Do subscribe and I'll see you on the next one.